Well, during our 5:30 newscast, we told you about a mid-state couple shocked to learn that their au pair had posted photos of their child without their consent.
Well, as ABC 27 senior investigator Kendra Nichols reports to us now, people don't always need your consent to post pictures or video of you on social media.
Unfortunately, Pennsylvania and most of the United States are fairly antiquated in terms of their privacy laws.
Devin Shawastiks is the chair of the Privacy and Data Security Group at McNeese, Wallace & Urich. He is one of the few attorneys in the mid-state who focuses on cybersecurity and data privacy.
We see a large number of cases where people would like to see things taken down off of social media, whether that's a photograph or an unfavorable review of their business or a defamatory comment about them. And we often wrestle with the large social media companies to try to force a takedown. Unfortunately, those companies have immunity under a federal law called the Communications Decency Act. And so they set up a relatively strenuous process to get any kind of content taken down off of their networks.
So what can you do if someone posts a video or picture without your consent on social media? It can depend on where you are.
So if you're in a public place, like walking down a sidewalk where anyone could view you, you have what we say would be no reasonable expectation of privacy in what you're doing. So if you don't want it to be public, don't do it in public.
What if you are in the privacy of your own home and you do not give someone consent to post pictures or video of you or your family?
Certainly you would have a claim for invasion of privacy under Pennsylvania law.
While you may be able to get the post removed, getting that person to delete the pictures themselves could be a battle.
The photographs would probably be the property of the person who took them. But again, if it's an employee and they're violating your express instructions, you may have a claim. But it's going to require quite a bit of legal wrangling to force someone in a court of law and have a court order them to delete photos off of their phone.
One of the issues, while Pennsylvania has laws that criminalize invasion of privacy, they don't specifically address social media.
Those laws are largely focused on lewd photos rather than the type of photos we're talking about here that just might show a family in the course of their day. We have civil claims that can be asserted for invasion of privacy as well, but none of those quite fit the bill here either.
So will the law catch up to technology?
The new trend in the United States is for states to adopt more proactive data privacy laws. We saw that start in 2018 in California. Virginia and Colorado have passed new privacy laws that take effect January 1st of 2023. Pennsylvania's General Assembly has had privacy laws before it over the last few sessions, and they've not made a lot of progress. But I'm optimistic that as more and more states adopt more comprehensive privacy laws, you'll see that trend follow nationwide and here in the Commonwealth.
And advice for parents looking for childcare. The best thing you can do is be proactive. Make it very clear what your expectations are when it comes to posting videos or pictures of your kids online. And of course, it's always best to get it in writing. With the ABC 27 investigators, I'm Kendra Nichols.